The French Embassy on Tuesday organized a special lecture session for students of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria on the prospects of pursuing higher education in France. In line with the Embassy's mandate of fostering educational collaborations, the lecture was aimed at promoting cultural, educational, and scientific cooperation between French and Nigerian institutions. The experts from the Embassy were led by the head of French Cooperation, Mr. Judikael Renault. Others in his entourage include the French language Attaché, Magali, Losonge, Scientific and Science Education Attaché, Sébastien, Bede, International Attaché, Emmanuel, Vefin, Campus France Nigeria Manager Laura Moras, Expert in Agency for French Education Abroad Isabelle, Anelone, and Emmanuel, Resbeut. The lecture was held at the Professor Abubakar Adamu Rasheed Twin Lecture Theatre. In his presentation, Mr. Sébastien Bede explained that the lecture was designed to enlighten the students about the numerous opportunities they can exploit while studying in France. He also said the idea behind the program was to give the students some insights on how to study in France at the master's and PhD levels. According to him, France is one of the world's leading nations in terms of research and innovation, adding that a wide range of academic programs are made available for the students to choose from in order to pursue their desired careers. Also speaking, Laura Moras disclosed that France is increasingly becoming an alternative destination for international students, which currently has over 400,000 students from all over the world pursuing various academic programs. Moras also took time to explain the application procedures into the university in France, as well as how students could find scholarship to fund their studies. In a remark during their entry meeting, Mr. Judikael Renault commended the founder of MAAUN, Professor Adamu, for providing the enabling environment for effective teaching and learning in the university. Earlier in his welcome address, Professor Gorzo, who appreciated the delegation, described the visit as a golden opportunity for MAAUN students to interact, share insights, and tap from the vast knowledge and experience of the experts. After lengthy discussions on issues revolving around higher education in Nigeria, Professor Gorzo expressed commitment to providing adequate resources to promote higher education, research and development not only in Nigeria but across the African continent.